Boys and girls, in your yellow folder, you'll see this paper. I think there are 2 of them. I wish I'd given you 4 or 5. You can probably make your own after this, but go and find this and bring it back. Pause the video if you need to. So, if you have someone nearby who can help you fold, you might want to grab them. We are going to fold it so that the little box is up in the right hand side. So it's got the box there and writing there. And then if I fold it like a book with the little box on the top, now I have 1 page, 2 page, 3 pages, 4 pages. I want to keep things really just fun and simple for you all. And so this first book we're going to make, I am going to ask you to do it with me if you want. And then there's another book in your folder that you get to do all by yourself. But I thought it'd be fun to do this one together. So you had in your read aloud today a book that sort of had a nice little pattern to it. Those are some of the most fun books to read because you start to know what the words are going to say and you can shout them out. And so we are going to make our own little pattern book today. And I thought it would be fun. We had 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish during our Zoom call on Monday. So I thought we could just make a simple pattern book about fish. So you should have your crayons. And what I want us to write on the first line is fish. So here we go. I'm gonna do big line, jump up, little line for F. Little line, dot, I. We haven't learned S yet, but I bet a lot of you know it. It goes little curve, and H is start at the top, big line, bump, little curve. Fish! Right there, boys and girls, this says fish. Now, if we have fish on the cover, I think we should draw some fish. So let's do a red fish. The way I'm gonna have you draw a fish is make an oval. Then we're gonna make a triangle. We have a fish, red fish. Now let's make a blue fish. We're going to make an oval and a triangle. Now we need 1 more fish because we have 3 pages. 1, 2, 3. So maybe for fun, we'll do a pink fish. Oval, triangle. So now I have my cover. It says fish. I have red, I have blue, and I have pink. So let's open it up. And our first fish is going to be the red fish. Now you can have a lot of fun and decorate this fish. We'll just draw the outline. And when I'm done with the video, you can stop and decorate him. You know, usually they have some kind of fin. So you could add decorations to your fish, okay? I'll do the first one. And then you can... he's sort of a chubby little fish. And we're gonna write on here, I think it might be best to use a pencil. This crayon might be a little difficult, so let me run and grab a pencil. here. And we are going to write a red fish. So let's begin. We're going to start at the top, A. Now, that's one word. My next word, I need 2 finger spaces. A, R, E, D, A, red. Now I need 2 finger space and I can't fit fish. So I'm gonna put it down here on the bottom. A red, F, I, S, H. And what goes at the end of my sentence? A period. Look here, we used a capital A. Always start with a capital on a sentence. So we have our red fish. Now we need a blue fish. So we'll just draw it real quick. And then you can decorate him however you want. A red fish. What do you think my words are going to be now? A red fish. A blue fish. So I'm going to start with a capital. Start at the top. A. 2 finger space. Got to get those fingers in. Blue. B. L. U. E. Now if I do 2 finger space over here, I'm not going to fit it. So I have a blue fish. F. I. S. H. I bet we can already read this book. Let's see. A red fish, a blue fish. So let's look back at our cover. A pink fish. Let's turn to the back. And we need to draw our pink fish. Oh, he got even chubbier. These are some big fish. These are like those big goldfish that just keep growing and growing. So what are we gonna write here? We have a red fish, a blue fish, a pink fish. Start at the top. A, capital at the beginning, 2 finger space. I'm gonna go pink. P, I, N, K, a pink. Now if I did 2 finger space, oh, I'm gonna run out of room. So I can put fish on the bottom. F, I, S, H. A pink fish. We made a little pattern book. Fish. Let's read it together. A red fish. A blue fish. A pink fish. Now, I would love for you to color these fish, make them really beautiful. You can put beautiful stripes down them, color parts of them one color, maybe decide here he's gonna get stripes. You know, fish are all kinds of different patterns. So have fun. And then on Friday, you're going to get to make your own pattern book. So save that final page. And in the meantime, you can make all the pattern books you want at home. Have fun.